Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we need to change dy over dx. Next, y square I will put on the left, dx I will put on the right. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So this one we have negative 1 over y. This one we have 1 over 2 e to the power of 2x minus 1. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.